There's a silent war happening right now, and if you're not armed, you're already losing. The modern world is designed to make men soft, distracted, and powerless. But today, that ends. This isn't about blame. It's about awareness. Weakness is rewarded with mediocrity. Strength is rewarded with respect, money, and influence. If you're tired of being the guy who gets walked over, it's time to reclaim what's yours. Step 1. Stop consuming, start creating. Most men are addicted to distraction. Endless scrolling, cheap entertainment, empty validation. Power comes from production, not consumption. Build something. Master a skill. Get paid. Value is created, not consumed. Step 2. Reject victim mentality. The world doesn't owe you anything. No one cares about your excuses. Winners adapt. Losers complain. Take radical responsibility for your life or stay at the bottom. Step 3. Rebuild your body and mind. A weak body breeds a weak mind. Lift, fight, train. Discipline is the foundation of power. And sharpen your mind. Read, strategize, outthink the competition. Step 4. Command respect. Don't beg for it. Respect isn't given. It's taken. Stand tall. Speak less. Move with purpose. When you carry yourself like a king, the world treats you like one. Power isn't lost overnight. It's surrendered piece by piece. Take it back, now. And if you're ready to level up, hit like, subscribe, and let's go to war. The comeback starts today.